I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to know about the keto diet. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, you'll probably feel terrible at first. After a few days on keto, you may get the keto flu, which happens when your body's electrolyte levels plummet. On the keto diet, it can be tough to get a good balance of sodium, magnesium, and potassium, since the latter two come mainly from carb-rich foods such as beans, fruit, and potatoes. Keto flu has symptoms like brain fog, drowsiness, headaches, and even nausea. Number 4, keto benefits could go beyond fat loss. While most people begin keto to cash in on the fat loss benefits, the diet could also help you avoid that notorious afternoon energy slump. Keto can also work well for those who seek steady energy levels as it lessens blood sugar spikes and valleys. Also, many keto followers have reported better mental clarity and focus once they reach ketosis. Number 3, you'll need to plan. One thing that's great about the keto diet is that you don't have to count any calories, points, or macros. All you need is to track your net carbs or your total carbs minus fiber. But if you want to avoid the nasty keto flu symptoms and keep your body running like it should, you need to include plenty of foods that are high in magnesium. It's also important to make sure you're getting enough fiber. Number 2, most health experts hate it. Most dietitians agree that keto is one of the worst diets unless you have a specific health condition and your doctor has recommended it. In fact, one gastroenterologist and gut health expert believes that keto decimates the gut and could be dangerous for your overall health since poor gut health is linked to chronic disease, anxiety, inflammation, and more. Number 1, your cravings will be intense. You may crave carb-rich foods like French fries, fruit, and warm bread. I can't explain this phenomenon, but I blame it on quitting carbs and sugar cold turkey. Plus, restricting foods can make you crave them even more. So you may dream of carbs because you aren't eating them on the keto diet. Even if you try to make low-carb versions of your favorite foods, they may not be satisfying. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover the 5 worst weight loss myths. That's it. That's all. See you next time.